Happy Halloween, Dogwood community. Thank you so much for joining us for our digital breath and movement class. We love creating this sacred communal space with all of you. We appreciate you so much. Tonight, I want to focus on just being present in this moment, relaxing, being authentic, and focusing on plugging into source through our breath. So all you got to do is just sit, relax, and be here with me right now. I'm going to incorporate some crystal bowls, as you just heard, and all you got to do right now is be a witness to the breath as you listen and experience and let go. And start with some neck rolls. Drawing circles with the neck. Alternating directions. And doing some shoulder shrugs where you pull the shoulders up to the ears and then drop the shoulders down the back. Now, as you alternate through your neck rolls and shoulder shrugs, just focusing on inhaling and exhaling consciously. You're just a witness. Bringing breath consciousness to the spine and into the navel. Engage the core, bringing the navel to the spine. And imagine that you're stirring a cake, making huge circles in one direction and then alternating directions. Now is the time where you want to choose to either lay down or stay seated. If you feel like you're going to want to continue to move authentically without me directing your movements, I would encourage you to sit and just see where this takes you. But if you really want to just mellow out and melt away completely, try lying down on your back. Go ahead and close your eyes. And imagine an electrical socket on the wall. You are plugging yourself in to the electrical socket with your breath. The socket represents the universe. With each breath, you become more tapped in. You become more connected. Allow your inhales to bring light into your body completely. And allow the exhales to remove the light from your body completely into total darkness. Finding your own natural breathing pattern. Go deep into this imagery and let go completely. the connection of you tapping in to the infinite universe. Where will you go? Just checking in on y'all. I hope you feel peaceful. I hope you feel free. I hope you feel safe. Let's take some breaths to come back to our body. Wiggle your fingers and your toes. Move your neck around if you can. If you're on your back, give yourself a hug. If you're seated, just sway from side to side. Or go back to the circles. Take a few deep breaths. Whatever the first thought that comes to your mind right now is, I want you to just repeat that thought. That's your mantra. Repeat it. Whatever that thought was that came to your mind is a message that has been sent to you through this practice. So take some time to reflect. Maybe make some tea with your preferred CBD dose. And just stay grounded for as long as you need on this full moon, on this Halloween. Thank you guys.